was sitting here last, but clearly they were a big back, dude. It was my dad. Dude. Wow. What is happening?
Bro, I'm
Dude,
shaky.
he,
Shaky. Try not to be so shaky.
It's energy drinks. Dude, he's big. Door's not even shut all the way. I could just roll out and die. Dude, get this all.
Yeah, oh, them muscles pop in.
Dude, it's more difficult than it should be. I don't need it that tight. Okay, it's a little hot.
Like your dad coming up behind us.
Turn it on him.
Wait, turn your truck on so you can know what you're doing.
Why does he look roll it down? I'm doing it.
What? Oh. What do you want?
Don't get me in the video. It's trying to avoid it.
She kept telling me to put it on you.
He's camera shy.
I thought you're filming.
He's camera shy.
I was gonna say you called us a ratchet. Isn't that like a hoe? Pretty sure it's like a fucking hoe in the hood.
Really?
Hey, your words, not ours.
I just
kidding.
I look like a scrub, but not a ratchet.
I didn't call you a ratchet. I just called you ratchet.
I know, but that means you look like a hoe.
Did you want to look this up?
No, it just occurred to me. I was over there. She called me ratchet.
A man's gotta eat.
Okay. This truck is so perfect.
Sounds good. That new radiator in it.
Oh wait, hold on. I gotta get my other one on. Wow, we're going right now. You said with that new radiator in it?
Yeah.
That doesn't affect the sound.
It's a joke. I know that doesn't affect the sound.
They processed in my head what you said. I'm like, wait, what?
I know. I'm not fucking
Oh
stupid.
yeah, look at the idle. The idle is so clean now. That radiator. Probably warm up for a little longer.
Somebody said, hey, that's daddy.
Someone said it.
Oh no, I think it was another person's post.
Oh, I thought they said it to me. And I was like, dude, he is. So I gotta make sure this thing running right. I built it. He's got all my stuff in the wrong place.
I think he's waiting for you so he can pull out. I'm not sure though.
Move your hand a little so I have it here. Can you actually pull the mirror in towards you a little bit more? A little less.
Is that good?
Look at all my stuff adjusted. Oh boy. Act like you own the thing or whatever. Oh god. That was me kidding. He gets a little stuck sometimes.
Just break it a little bit.
It's the slowest I've ever reversed.
Oh my gosh. Looks like the sun's in my face. It's so glowy.
A little cold still.
It's rough to
A
keep
little
it.
cold for that. Probably should let it sit longer, but it's okay. Rooster likes the pain. I haven't driven it in like over a week. Feels like forever.
You did your own GoPro for YouTube videos in here.
Yeah,
Like-
I need to set one up.
Attach it to the rail.
Probably put it on my windshield.
Oh yeah, that's probably better. Stabilized a
I don't
little bit
even know
more.
if that's legal. But I don't care.
It's alright, the door just fell off. No worries.
The door. You just can't see it. It's not frame. But trust, it's gone. Trust,
It's
gone.
not there anymore. we now drive like a Jeep does.
You have the jailbait shirt? too tall for this truck. Not really. I'm like actually a bit tight for it. Okay.
I'm just gonna.
Hey, you got that truck sounding pretty good.
Thank you.
You did that yourself?
My dad did.
Your dad?
Yeah.
Yeah, he did a good job. I can tell just by listening to
Thank you. Okay, so as you know, this is Rooster. My autocross, rally, drift, burnout,
Multi-purpose truck.
drag my multi-purpose truck. I was just trying to think of all the things. Okay, so I've been asked a lot what's going on with it because I guess that's interesting or whatever. I just drive it, you know. I don't care what happens. No, I'm just kidding. Anyways, I have a Ford Thompson 6.0. What else I have? I have a Tremec 256 Magnum 6-speed tranny in there. What else do I have up front? As you can see from in here, I have a 2-in-1 front suspension setup. Oh, that's a little warm. And we have a brand new Frostbite radiator that we just put in like 4 days ago. I don't know. I posted it. Okay. While we're up here, might as well mention this. My bull bar that everyone's asking about. Not everyone. Some people have asked about it. My dad built it. We didn't buy it, so I'm sorry I can't point you anywhere to get that. Anyways, let's move on to the back. Okay. So in the back, what do we have? All right.
I'm gonna come around.
My exhaust. A 3-inch exhaust with glass packs. Okay. No QA1 back here, sadly. Not yet. Okay. Alright, so back here, what we have going, we have pretty much a factory setup in the back. It's just modified. So nothing new or interesting. Just what works for now. It's all temporary setup. Truck has full roll cage built by my dad. Check it out. Innocent Customs. My dad. Excuse me.
Peep the tag.
Yep. All right. So, guess we could move on into here. What we got going? All right. Actually, go sit in my passenger seat. Passengers. All right. So, what we got going here? For starters, got that race quip seatbelts, 5 points. Okay. We got Holly Dash. Oh my gosh. One of the most important things I forgot. It's got, Take Performance Stage 2 Tomax cam in it. Wait, what?
What did I say?
It's got Take Performances stage. What? I'm just fidgeting. I'm nervous. Okay. We'll go back to that anyways. Anyways, back to the interior. We have a Holly Dash. We got a Take Performance short shifter. It's adjustable. It's got like a cool adjustable thing in there. We'll make a video on it soon. Running the Terminator X Max from Holly. What else? Oh, duh. I got my Willwood pedal assembly over here. Got my pedals on my juices up here. Yup.
I can peep the Holly a little bit better.
Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah. Pretty much it for in here. Peep the cage. Pretty clean. Tight fit. It doesn't get much better than that. Okay. But yeah. I can't believe I forgot about my cam. That is like what people are usually most interested in. It's the Stage 2 Tomax cam from Take Performance. And yeah, that's pretty much my truck. What else am I forgetting? I'm not a talker. I know I have these things in my brain, but as soon as I start saying them, I'm like, It's just a piece of metal. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm just a girl. But I have it in my head. What else? What do I plan to do in the future? Oh yeah, in the back, we're running drum brakes. You know, we're for real. Real performance vehicle back here. Drum brakes. You already know. Anyways, I'm gonna get a new brake set up for this whole thing, front and back. Probably get a new rear end. Well, we will get a new rear end. Just haven't decided from where yet. What else? I don't know. This whole back end is just gonna get completely changed up. Probably get a fuel cell. Just move everything all over. I might even paint the roll cage, honestly, if I'm feeling a little crazy. But yeah, that's pretty much the truck. Not much else to it, I'd say. Yep. Also have hooker headers. Forgot to mention that. Kind of need those. Oh, and I'm also gonna put some new, what do you call it? Stage 8 fasteners on it. They're locking fasteners, so that'll be helpful because they keep loosening up on me. Can't be having those exhaust leaks.